Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy an Ulta gift card online. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration I'm going to be using my web browser, and in particular I'm going to head on over to Google. Now in the Google search bar I'm going to type in Ulta gift card or cards and then hit search, and you'll be brought to Google search results. From here we want to click on the first link from Ulta.com, so gift cards and e-gift cards, and we're on the e-gift card page for Ulta.com. So it will say the perfect present gift cards, the joy of an Ulta beauty shopping spree. So go ahead and click on the big buy now button, and now it will say who is this gift card for. If it's a friend, put in their name, your name, or if it's for yourself, click on pick a gift card. So I'm just going to do for me and click on pick a gift card. And then we've got two different types. We've got a digital gift card or physical gift card. So you can share an e-gift card link or send by email, send it now or schedule it for a later date. Click on send a digital card if you want to go down that route. Or if you want to do a physical card, so you can send a traditional card through the mail. That will have some flexible shipping options available as well. So for this one, I'm going to do send a digital card. Now we need to choose the gift card design. So they've got a few different ones here to choose from holiday join to love celebration. So yeah, choose which one you want to do. I'm going to do the thank you one. And now from there, it will say how much at the bottom of that gift card. And we've got some preset numbers here, 25, 50, 100, 250, or you can change it here. And you can change the quantity. So if I want to purchase $200 gift cards, I can do that and add it to my cart. I'm just going to do a $50 one and add that one to my cart. And there is an option once we're in the cart to add another card, but I just want to get one, and this is in USD as well. From here, you want to check out, so go ahead and click on checkout. And now you want to put in your contact information, your email, confirm your email, phone number, credit card information, all that stuff, and your billing address, and send notification about future offers. You can check that if you like. If you made any mistakes, or if you want to go back, go ahead and click on edit cart, and then once that looks all good, go ahead and click on place my order, and that will go ahead and place that order for you to get that gift card.